I'm going to give you a demonstration of what it takes to install Tulo into your truck. It is very, very easy. So first thing we're going to do, we're just going to open up the package. We got the control box. We got the OBD2 connector that plugs into the data port under your dash. And also we got the button for controlling it. There's also a mount that comes with it to mount it under the dash. You plug your cables into the control box. Now I'm going to start the truck up. Now I'm going to plug the connector into the OBD connector under the dash. You'll see it right here. Can we see this? Okay. That's what it takes to install it. Now, to use it, you first put your transmission into neutral. The light will be white. That just informs us that the thing is plugged in. You next select four-wheel drive, low range on your selector. And once it's gone in, you push our button. It sends a signal to the truck's computer to unlock your front axle. Now you can drive around in two-wheel drive, low range, with the push of a button.